Welcome to the React Maps tutorial. In this video, I will demonstrate how to zoom and pan a map area with built-in options in the toolbar. Let me show you how to enable zooming and panning in the Maps component using my existing React application. Here, I have already added a simple Maps component with basic properties, and added a GeoJSON shape of the world map in the Maps layer. I have bound COVID statistics data to React Maps with an appropriate title. To learn more about integrating the Maps component into a React application, please check the Getting Started video linked in the card above and the description below. Let me run this application using the npm start command to show the initial demo. Looking here, the world map is rendered with a defined data source. Next, I will show you how to start zooming in on specific map areas. To do that, first, I need to import the zoom module and inject it into the services. Then, I add the zoomSettings object and set the enable property to true. When I enable the zooming option, the panning option is also enabled. Panning allows the user to scroll the map in any direction. There are different types of zooming in React Maps. The first type is selection. You can select the map area to be zoomed. Mouse wheel, scroll the map area using the mouse wheel. Thirdly, pinch zooming. Pinch to zoom in and move your fingers apart on the map area to zoom out on touch-enabled devices. Single click, click the map shape area once to zoom. Finally, double click zooming, click the map shape area twice to zoom. To enable single-click zooming, set the zoom on click property value to true. Looking at the map now, when I click on the map area, the map will be zoomed. You can also pan the map in any direction. By default, you will find the toolbar at the top right corner of the map with zoom in, zoom out, and reset options. The reset option restores the map to its default view. To customize the toolbar options, add the toolbar settings object inside the zoomSettings. And add the button settings property. Then, add toolbar items like zoom, zoom in, zoom out, and reset. As you can see, the map is displayed with custom toolbar items. Next, I will show you how to customize the zooming toolbar buttons. You can customize the zooming toolbar buttons using properties such as color, fill, opacity, highlight color, etc. For example, I set the border color and border width properties with appropriate values inside the button settings. Looking at the map, the border toolbar buttons are displayed in green with custom width. Next, I will show you how to customize a tooltip for zooming toolbar items. I add the tooltip settings property and set the custom font color and font size properties with appropriate values. Looking at the map now, when I hover over the toolbar items, the button names are custom sized and in red. Other customization options include changing the fill, opacity, border color, etc. Here, the zooming toolbar options are displayed horizontally. To make the toolbar vertical, I add the orientation property and set its value to vertical within the zoomSettings object. You can see that the zooming toolbar options are displayed vertically. Next, I will show you how to change the position of the zooming toolbar. You can align the toolbar at far, near, and center positions using vertical and horizontal alignment properties. I want to align it vertically, so I add the vertical alignment property and set its value to far. See the map, the toolbar buttons are positioned vertically far in the map area. Now, to customize the zooming toolbar, use the background color, border color, width, and opacity properties. I add the border width and border color properties and set appropriate values. And now the zooming toolbar displays a red border and a custom border width. By default, you can pan the zoomed map area. But if you want to prevent this, you need to disable the Enable Panning property. For more clarity, I'll comment out the Zoom on Click property. See, now you cannot pan the zoomed area in the map. By default, the zoom factor min value is 1 and the max value is 10. To change the zoom factor range, I can use the min zoom and max zoom properties. I set the min zoom value as 2 and max zoom value as 5. You can see the zooming range has changed. In this video, I have shown you how to zoom a map area with different zooming types, customize toolbar options, and add a tooltip for toolbar items. I also showed you how to change the position of the zooming toolbar. If you want to try out the example used in this video, download it from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also shared a link to learn about obtaining a free license key to use our React suite through our community license, if you are eligible. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.